Here we go.
Okay, so we're supposed to find the tangent line and the normal line to this curve at this point. So what do? Take the derivative. Good. Notice I've got y's mixed into the argument here, so we have to just implicitly differentiate. What about this side? Okay, so the 6 is just constant. We can leave that. We've got a sine function, don't we? Okay, so we get 6 cosine, whatever, pi x minus y.
Times pi.
Okay, good. So then if we multiply by the derivative, what's inside? The first term, the derivative is just pi. Good. Minus y prime. Okay, so that's it. Now we could simplify this, but being as we're just trying to find the value, the numerical value of y prime, we could just plug in. Yeah, why not? So if we do that, if we plug in -1 for x and 0 for y, that's going to give us cosine of negative pi. Okay. So the cosine of negative pi. Now let's look at that one. So that's the x coordinate, right? So -1. Okay. So all that stuff right there just becomes a -1. Good. So we get y prime equals 6 times -1 times pi minus y prime. That makes it a little bit easier to solve for y prime. Yes, sir.
How'd you get negative pi?
He plugged in the
Negative
Oh,
one.
okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
So if I distribute this -6, I just get y prime equals -6 pi plus 6 y prime. So I could pull the y primes to the right and the other stuff to the left, maybe, so the y primes are positive, and get 5y prime equals 6 pi. So what's y prime?
Wait, why is it 5y prime?
Because I subtracted the y prime over here where they're
Oh, and
positive.
then put the other, okay.
Push the other stuff that way.
Gotcha.
So it'd be 6 pi over 5.
Yeah, good. So we get 6/5 pi.
That's your slope.
So there's the slope of the tangent line,
Dirty.
right?
Plug it in, plug it in.
That's why I always.
Equals m tan.
Good. So if y equals mx plus b, there's the slope of the tangent line. Now for the normal line, what's it going to be?
Negative 5 over 6 pi.
Yeah, -5 over 6 pi, exactly. Yeah, does that make sense? Because the pi goes with the numerator, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and so if we can do this one, we can do that one. Now if we plug in our solution up here, we just get 0 equals 6/5 pi times -1, so -6/5 pi plus b. Yeah, so it's 6/5 pi. Yeah, good. So b,
You keep the pi on the bottom, the other one be just close to b.
it'd be stuck on the bottom, yeah, in the other one, yeah. So then we end up, there's our b, there's our m, so our answer is just y equals,
Because you times
that's our answer. And then the other one everything would have been the same except up here, we just would have plugged in the reciprocal, the negative reciprocal of the slope, right, for the normal line.
It should be a positive 5, 6 pi.
Right, so we get a negative 5 over 6 pi here, and then b would be, whatever we got when we solve for it. Make sense? Okay.
Absolutely.
All right.
205?
We made short work of the pi problem, 205, yeah.